So son of a gun, I'm here on Crescent Mine Grade, and I got a flat. Shit happens, right? Important thing, make sure you always carry the right equipment with you to make sure you can get your flat changed. Now I have a tubeless tire. It's always a good idea to have a tube. And right now I already got my bike flipped upside down, my chain tension loosened. Now I'm gonna remove the tire. I'll remove the root wheel rather. So in my little pack of goodies here, tire levers, spare tube, I got a pump on the bike. You might want to have CO2. So first thing, remove the tire. Take a tire lever under the bead, just kind of work it around. So the good news, bad news, my sealant, a little goopy. So in a tubeless situation, I have to remove my tubeless valve. You're seeing where sometimes these little lock rings can be extremely tight. Having a Leatherman or something on you is always a good idea. Okay. There's my valve removed. We're gonna save that. Now I'm gonna take my tube. I'm gonna put a little air in the tube. Give it some shape. The problem is if you don't, the tube can twist on you. And then it can cause a flat. And you can see how many pumps I already have. That's why it's a good idea, save you time, to have a CO2 in there. It looks like maybe my tube has a hole in it, which is super sweet because I'm up here on the mountain. Anyway, stay tuned for our next repair video. Maybe I'll do it better. I'm gonna enjoy this walk down the mountain. See you next time.